Number 1 says Jackson had 5 6-yards of ribbon and he used 2 6-yards to decorate a present. How many yards does he have left? So first it wants the number model. So we start with 5 6 and then he uses 2 6. So we are subtracting. And then to actually figure it out, he has 5 6, he uses 1 6, he uses 2 6. So he has 1 2 3 6 left. If you want to simplify it, you can simplify it down to 1/2. Another way to do it is just by looking at the number model. We know when we subtract, we ignore the denominators. They stay exactly the same. And you just subtract the numerators. So 5 minus 2 would be 3. Number 2 says solve. So first we have 474 times 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1, 29, carry the 2. Again, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2, 18, 1,896. Then we have 474 times 8. You can solve it, which is the first way to do it. So 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 3 is 59. Again, 8 times 4 is 32, plus 5 is 37, so 3,792. Another way to do it is we have 4 and we have 8. Since 4 times 2 is 8, we could take this answer right here and times it by 2, or we could add 1,896 plus 1,896, and you would get the same answer, which is 3,792. Number 3 says look at each number sentence and choose true or false. So first we have the parentheses here. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Therefore, the first one is false. B says 4 plus 2 times 5. So 4 plus 2 is 8. 8 times 5. Sorry. I'm looking at that wrong. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Therefore, this one is true. C says 100 divided by 25 plus 25 plus 5 equals 7. So 25 plus 25 is 50. 100 divided by 50 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, this one is also true. D says 40 minus 4 divided by 6 plus 8. So 40 minus 4 is 36. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. Therefore, D is also true. Number 4 says use the fractions listed to fill in the blanks to make the number sentences true. There are more than one answer for this. 1/2 plus blank is less than 2. Any one of those would actually work. However, some of them won't work for the other ones. So I'm going to go 1 and 1/4 here. Because if I have 1 and 1/4 plus 1/2, it would be 1 and 3/4, which is still less than 2. The next one says 2 and 1/3 minus something is greater than 1/3. The only one that works here is 1/10. If I take away 1/8, it's going to be too much, so we'll put 1/10. C, 4/5 plus blank equals, less than 1. Either 1/8 or 1/10 would work. I'm going to put 1/8. Number 5 says explain how you know the number sentence you wrote for 4B is true. So if you start with 2 and 1/3 and you have to subtract something to still be greater than 2, it all means you need to have a fraction that's less than 1/3. Most fractions are less than 1/3 if they get higher. 1/4 is less than 1/3, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, 1/10, and so on. So as long as you explain that you know 1/10 is less than 1/3, therefore it's still more than 2, that would be fine.